Hi folks, I'm your friend and mentor Rohit Kakkad. Both Raju and Ram were in the same coaching. NLM chapter was started in their coaching on 20th August and that chapter was taught till 5th September. Once the chapter was done, next Sunday they had a mock test on that chapter. Both Raju and Ram appeared for that mock test and Raju got around 45 marks out of 100 and Ram got around 85 marks out of 100. Now, what was the difference between Raju and Ram? Both attended the classes regularly, both did the class revision, both did a lot of self-study at home, both solved around 50 solved examples on NLM, and both did around 350, 400 questions on LNM in that 15 days period. Now, what was the difference between Raju and Ram? That he scored 45 marks out of 100 and Ram scored 85 marks out of 100. The difference was in the doubt clearing strategy. When Raju did around 350 questions on LNM, he had around 50 doubts in that chapter. Out of that 50 doubts, fortunately, he was able to clear 30 doubts, but still 20 doubts were still not cleared before he appeared for the mock exam. As a result, the similar questions came in the mock exam. He got stuck and he was not able to perform well. On the other hand, Ram had around 20 doubts on the NLM in the unsolved questions. He cleared all those doubts in the coaching, discussed with the teacher, retried those doubts once again, and then he appeared for the mock exam. And we can see the difference between Raju and Ram. Ram got around 85 and Raju got 45. The reason was lack of doubt clearing strategy. Raju was hesitant in asking the doubts. He was not expressive. He was not able to clear all his doubts in the coaching. As a result, he had scored less marks in the mock test, while Ram scored more marks in the mock test. So in this video, I would like to tell you, even if your one doubt remains uncleared in JEE or NEET preparation, the consequence of this is that all the concepts associated with that doubt you are still not clear on. If that kind of question comes in the mock exam or in the final JEE Main, JEE Advanced or NEET exam, you will not be able to solve because you still don't know how to solve that particular question. Even if you get the solution of the doubt question, you need to retry that question once again. If you will not retry that question once again, you will keep on making the same mistakes again and again. So please keep this in mind. Please clear all the theoretical and numerical doubts that you have on the chapters of physics, chemistry, maths or bio. No doubt should remain uncleared. Hope you will follow this strategy from today onwards. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends, family, classmates, colleague, and do subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Thank you. All the very best.